In this video, I will show you how to set up Bloxlink on Discord. So the first step is to simply open any browser and then simply search for Bloxlink Discord bot. Now the next step is to simply click on the second link from top.gg and then you're gonna get redirected to this page here. Now all you have to do is simply click on invite and then you're gonna have to invite the bot to your server. So you can choose other servers if you want. I only have this one here, so I'm gonna use it for this tutorial. Now simply click on continue here and then you're gonna have to click on authorize. So now we're gonna have to verify this and basically that should be it. Now if we go back to our Discord, we can see that we have here our Bloxlink bot. So we can click on it, as you can see. So we have here different commands. Now if we go back here to their official website, you can simply click on sign in with Discord and then you're gonna have to simply click on authorize again. So basically this should, as you can see, this should give us the option to go to the dashboard, and here we can set up, as you can see, we can manage subscriptions, and here we can basically manage servers, we can do verifications and much more. So basically this is how you can add and set up a Bloxlink on Discord. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.